Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Bailey Mosley and this is my first YouTube video. For my first video, I partnered with my sister, Taylor Mosley. For those of you who are coming from her blog, you may know her as What Taylor Likes. She asked me to create this festive holiday glam look for her blog as a part of her 12 Days of Christmas. And I just want to personally thank you, sister, for partnering with me on my first video and helping me get myself out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. For all of the products that I used, I will be sure to leave them down in the description box below. Please, please, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be sure to leave all my social media links down below as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I have already completed my face makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyes. To complete this look, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35O palette, and for my transition shade I'm going to just pick up this shade right here. It's like a warm tone brown. I find that this shade works really well in my crease for my skin tone. I'm just going to be sure to blend this all the way out through my crease, as well as buff this out on my outer corner. And we're going to really try to build this shade up and make sure it is as blended as possible. I'm alternating between windshield wiper motions and circular motions. That way we can maximize the blending as best as we can. And for this, I don't think I mentioned, I'm just using a regular fluffy blending brush. Also making sure I bring this all the way into my inner corner as well. I really want to make sure my entire crease and transition area is blended with this color. I zoomed you guys in a little closer just so you can see what I'm doing a little better. I'm still using that first shade from the Morphe 35O palette. Really blending this shade out. Now on our Morphe M503, I'm going to take just this brown shade right here. It's softer, it's closer to my skin tone. I'm going to use this to go over the edges of the shade that we just applied, just to make sure that we have no harsh lines. This shade, honestly, on my skin tone doesn't show up as anything because it is so close to my skin tone, but that's what I want, just so I can make sure that we have a nice gradient effect going on. And just because I'm not really going to be using a lid shade for this look, I'm going to take this same brown shade and buff this all over my lid, just so it has a nice matte effect to it. Now on a slightly dense pencil brush, this one is from Morphe. It came in a set, so it doesn't have a number on it. I'm going to pick up this cool tone brown shade right here and blend this in my outer V. I'm really keeping this low, not really bringing it up into my crease too much. And I just want this corner of my eye to be slightly smoky, but not too much. So I kind of just like to layer it on like this and blend it out inwards. Now I'm just looking straight ahead in the mirror and trying to make sure that they're equally symmetrical and blended before I move on to the next step. I'm going to pick up my Morphe M503 again, and I'm just going to blend this out what we just did with no additional product at all. This is just a brush that I was using before, and just further blending out that dark brown. Am I the only one who hates how eyeshadow looks before you have lashes on? I feel like it always looks like trash. Anyways, since I was slightly more heavy-handed on this eye than I was on this one, I went ahead and picked up some more of this shade right here and tapped off the excess. I don't really have that much on my brush, and I'm just going to just so it's all a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to just blend out everything all together, making sure that it's just all seamless. I'm blending over every area that I applied product just to make sure that we have no harsh lines. And again, there is no additional product on this brush. I'm just using a clean blending brush to make sure everything is as soft as it possibly can be. We are gonna do red lips since it is the holidays, so I think I want to add just a tiny bit of red in the crease just so it kind of is like cohesive all throughout the entire look. I'm gonna pick up this blending eye brush. This one is from e.l.f. as well. It's kind of dense, a little small, it's not too fluffy. I'm gonna pick up this red shade right here, not too much, just a little bit, and I'm going to blend this in the crease just so we have like a hint of red. Yeah, I feel like it's picking up so much more on camera than it is in person. It's like the perfect amount of red. Just buffing this in the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with that same fluffy brush. It doesn't have any product on it again. And I'm just going to make sure that this red is blended in with all the browns that we used. I'm going to pick up Dripping in Gold, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to use this shade to highlight my inner corner. To do so, I'm going to use a Morphe M507. It's just a small tapered brush. And I'm just going to pop this in. I'm blending it upwards instead of downwards because I'm going to put red in my waterline. So just kind of fanning it out. And so it doesn't look so white, I'm going to use golden bronze and hit that on top as well. Now for my waterline, I'm going to use my LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. This is actually a lip liner, but it works well for the waterline as well. I zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. I think it is the perfect liner for the holidays. For lashes, I'm going to use my Amrika lash. These are the most faithful lashes I have ever used in my entire life. I'm just going to use my Duo lash glue and apply this on the strip. And while those dry down a bit, I'm going to coat my lashes with some mascara. I'm going to highlight my nose while my lashes are still drying down. I'm going to use Dripping in Gold, which is this shade right here, and use my Morphe M507 to do so. I think my lashes are tacky enough now, so I'm just going to apply them. So I'm going to use the same lip liner that we used in the waterline, and I'm actually going to use that as my whole entire lip shade. I'm just going to line my lips and fill it in with this shade right here. Alright, we have our lips on. Now I'm going to brush my hair and I will be right back. This is the completed look. I love the classic red look for the holidays. I did quickly just want to share some of my favorite red lips with you guys. This one is from Morphe. It is in the shade Hot. It's just a little too orangish red for what I was going for, so I opted out of it. And Ruby Woo by MAC, of course, is like the reds of all reds. It's literally the same exact color as my lip liner. This one is just a little too old. I've had this one for years now, so it's a little too crusty for me, so I just opted for the liner. But yeah, please, if you did enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to follow me on all my social media. I do have some fun videos in store with more beauty, more health and fitness, true crime, crochet, literally everything I'm obsessed with I will be sure to include in this channel. I think I will have something for everyone here. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.